everybody. So I am on here today and I am doing a custom order. This order is for a 20-year-old for an Easter basket from her dad that he said she's a kid at heart. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in this Easter basket. As you know, it took a little bit to figure out what I'm going to put in here, but I think we got it. So I'm going to use this embroidery quick kit. This is something she can use as a gift for somebody, start her own creative journey with. I thought it was very cute. It cost me absolutely nothing. It was free. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to put the LA Colors All Bright Gem Pick Tool French Tip Manicure Set. Okay, and as you can see, this was $5. However, I got this for 50 cents at Family Dollar. And I'm just going to pull this tag off of here because it peels off pretty easily. Well, at least I thought it did. Anyway, it's all. Alright, so we're going to put that in there. Alright, I also picked up the Chocolate Raspberry Truffle Body Wash. We're going to put that in there. Alright, and then those Starburst candles that you saw that I bought, we're going to put that in there. I think that's appropriate for a 20-year-old. Safe for them to use and playful, and I'm going to leave it in the Starburst box. All right, and then we've got some lip gloss, 4 of them, OMGA, and this I got from Temu. I will be putting that in there. All right, I will be putting one of these packs in there that I'm going to put some items in, possibly the body wash and lip gloss, and I've got some hand lotion that I'm going to put in there as well, or body lotion is what it says, but I'm going to put that in there too. All right, and then I've got the little perfume palettes that I got from Temu. I'm going to take it out of the bag, but I'm going to put this in there as well. And this one is called Peach Girl. Alright, so we'll put that in there too, probably in this pouch. Okay, and then I've got a humidifier that we will also put in there. Alright, and then I'm floating this over from Valentine's Day because it does not have anything Valentine on it. So it'll be a nice box of chocolates. Alright, and this is Caramel Peanut Crisp Clusters. And her dad said she does not have any nut allergies. So we're going to use this. It expires October 19th, 24. So we're going to go ahead and push that 24 inventory out of here. You know, and then I have some other snacks. I have the big cotton candy bag, pretzels. We definitely got the freeze pop. That will also go in there. And I'm going to top it off with this bouquet of lollipops from Valentine's Day. They're heart-shaped, but they do not say Happy Valentine's Day or anything like that. They just say Heart Lollipop Bouquet. So we're going to use those. So we can get that inventory out as well. This is, let's see. I saw the date on it earlier. Let's see where I saw it at. Best Buy 11/24. So this will be fine to use. So without further ado, I'm going to get busy, and I'm inviting you along to watch. Okay.
Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in my mind are starting, give me one, yeah. They go like la 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 la. They go like la 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 la. It ain't easy silencing me from myself up on the shelf. Can you hear my heartbeat? Can you feel my heartbeat? Oh, time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. Oh, the conversations in my mind are stuck on rewind, yeah. They go like la 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 la. They go like la 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 la. Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in